Here's a 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche. You no longer have to decide between a truck and an SUV. Get the best of both worlds with this Avalanche. In under a minute, you can switch from the cargo hauling capability of a truck to the comfort and roominess of an SUV. That's not all it brings in terms of convenience. With cruise control and a reverse sensing system, you can focus on the road ahead. Your friends and family will clamor for a seat in this unique vehicle. Come in for a test drive today. At Don Hewlett Chevrolet Buick, we make it easy. We are conveniently located at 7601 South I-35 in Georgetown, Texas.